Hello everyone, welcome back to LBank Academy. If you are new in crypto trading or you are looking for trusted, regulated and user-friendly exchange, this video is important for you. In this video, I will show you how to open account in LBank and how to secure your account and what you must do before starting trading. So make sure watch till the end, don't skip any step. So let's start. So before opening LBank account, I'm gonna share you something very important why you are choosing LBank and why it is important for you, because we are providing is a very easy for beginner and user-friendly platform. Secondly, low trading fees and you can verify easily and you will get support 24 hours and 7 days. So and also listing so many new coins in our platform every day, every week. Also available worldwide. So why you wanna miss this opportunity? So that is why many people they are choosing the LBank exchange to trade crypto safely with low fees. So okay, now I'm gonna showing you so how you can open account in LBank. You can see this is the platform, so you can put your phone number or either email address. So you can put there. Then after that, what's gonna you do? So you can make a password. There is have 6-character password as you can see. So must use number lowercase and uppercase also. So and must contain at least a special character only supports. So these types of special character if you wanna use, so you can use these things. And if you have referral code here, so this is optional. If you have, okay, no problem, you can put here invitation code number and then click on this sign up. So this account already signed up. So once signed up finish, so then what's gonna you do? So you have to go to the login option. So this is the login option. So if you do sign up, I mean registration with email address, so you can use your email address. If you use the phone number to register, so you have to put your phone number over there. So I keep the email address here, and now what's gonna I'm doing? So this is the verify. So I have to already this account verified, so that's why it was showing. So once done, so now I can put my password. So after that, log in here. So if this device is new, so maybe you will get the notification code to your mobile number or email address. So now you see, so this is the login right now. So now you can see here, so this is your UID number and it is showing your email address. So you can change from here, you can put your username, any name you can use here. So after that, what's gonna you do? So you have to verify your account. You have to fill up your KYC because security is the most important, because you are putting your hardworking money over there. So that's why you have to keep secure your platform. So now this once finished, so you have to go to the account, or this is the identity verification. So this is identity verification, so verify immediately. So this is the KYC form, you can fill up the KYC and verify immediately. So once you are getting this option, this is Authenticator app, you can use your Authenticator app. So which country, region you are living, so select your country. Then after that, ID type. So ID type, say for example, Armenia, you are from Armenia, so ID type passport. So okay, you can keep your passport and submit next. So once verification done, so then you will get this security code option. So you can make your passkey or identity verification, email verification, for phone verification, and you have to use your Google Authenticator. So once finished done, so everything will be, it will take time like 1 hour or 1 day or 2 days like that. So once your account will be verified, it's gonna show you there is the verified account and it will show the blue color tick mark. So now your account is secure. So after that, what you should do? So now you want to deposit your money. So what you have to do, how you can deposit? So your account setting, everything is done, your Google Authenticator is done, your QR code, everything is done, and save the backup key. So you can once finish, so you can save your backup key as well. So now KYC verification. So I showed you. So this is the option. There is have KYC verification. So this KYC verification, how you can do. So once KYC verification done, so this is the most important. You are getting the higher withdrawal limit and extra account safety, right? So everything done. So now what's gonna you do? You have to go to your asset, or do you have coupon code? So okay, my coupon code. So if you have coupon code, so you can use your coupon code. So then you will get the bonus or other services already company is offering. So this offer, it will be applicable for your account. So now go to your asset. So how you can find your asset? So there. So this is your referral code. So this is a dashboard referral link as well. So my coupons, you can find my coupons. You have to go to the dashboard. So this is the dashboard. You are getting your dashboard. So you will find the asset, your asset. So after that, now you want to buy crypto, you want to deposit crypto. So there is have a deposit option. So if you click on the deposit option, because this is your I have crypto asset, so write a deposit. So you can use like one click buy. So there is a one-click buying opportunity. So you say, for example, you wanna buy from your credit card, debit card, right? So this is the AD example. This is the AD buy I am showing. So I want to buy 5,000 AD. So how much I will give? Automatically it is calculating. So this is the 1,320.3 USDT I'm getting. So then once finish and log in, and you can buy this USDT. So already this there is a payment method. So which method you are using? So this is the low price 3.67. So click on that, mark on that. Okay. So it is showing here. So once finish, so you will get the another OTP code in your mobile. So once OTP you will apply. So once OTP will come, so you can put your OTP in your system. So then automatically it will be credited to your account. It will show here. So your asset. So after that, there is a P2P option. There is a P2P option also. So you can buy and sell P2P. Like you wanna safety reminder, it will come. So you have to confirm this one. So how you wanna buy? So there is a USDT from US dollar or AED. So there is a payment method. So you have to search someone who will buy from here, right? So True Money Cambodia. So right, all bank transfer apply. So now it is showing the okay, this one person, he is 15 minutes, it will take time. So he is ready to sell. So that means how much you can buy. You can see his limit also. So bank transfer. So you can click on the buy. So then you can chat with him. So he will send you the bank details. So then you can send money, transfer money to his bank account. So once it's finished, he receive money to his bank account. So once confirmation done, he will release your USDT, and you can within second or 1 minute 30 seconds it will show in your account. So now you wanna buy, or you wanna buy crypto, or you wanna do trade, right? So there is have some spot option. So you wanna do the spot trading, okay, no problem. So you can buy BTC, you can buy Ethereum, whatever you want, okay, because we have stocks also. So you can buy from our platform easily. If you want to do future, if you want to do copy trading also, so it's a very exciting. So like you want to copy someone trade. So this person is last 30-day PNL 2000%, almost 2800% almost. So this is the process, right? Then this is the copy trading. So that means you can copy his trade and keep your money and just follow him. So that's enough. Automatically it will be start the trading. So once he is losing or he is making profit, your account will show the same things, like you are making profit or he is losing, or also you are losing. So then after that you can do the future trading as well. So future trading, how you can do, if you are beginner, so you can do one thing, you can contact with us through our Telegram channel. So we are ready to teach you how you can trade. So because this is the not easy things how I can explain is very simple way. So there is have some topics or terms and condition is there. So I have to talk with you because I have to know about your plan. So what types of trade you wanna do. So many things are involved in this system. So that's why I'm not explaining in all these things in this video. So just I am showing how you can open account, how to trade, how to deposit money, how to verify your account in a very easier way, because our platform is very user friendly. So okay, now let's go the final tips. I'm gonna tell you something. This is most important for you. So learn before you trade. This is the first suggestion. And secondly, follow proper risk management, which one I am already talking about this. And thirdly, don't trade emotionally and stay updated with market news. So for these things, you can join our Telegram community. Every day we are updating new topics in this industry, what is happening, what's gonna happen next day, next week, next month. So we are updating everything and we are sending some analysis also. So that's it for today. If this video like you, please comment and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and follow our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.